You are heartily welcome to my LED TV repair channel. Today I am going to teach you about the most common problem caused in Panasonic Ultra Slim TV. The problem of Panasonic Ultra Slim TV is standby in this case of this type of problem. When we switch on the TV, automatically TV will be off. After that, indicator will start to blink again and again. Initially, we should check the plus B supply. The plus B supply is absolutely correct, and the rated 9 should be 12 volt, but here is only 8 volt.